Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and saving a backup. This protects you if layout changes. Next, turn on non-printing characters so you can see paragraph marks, page breaks, and section breaks. This reveals why the blank page exists. Once done, open the navigation pane and click Pages to jump directly to the offending blank page. You need to know whether it's caused by extra paragraphs, a manual page break, or a section break before you remove anything. You now remove the visible cause. Select and delete extra paragraph marks or a manual page break to collapse the blank page. This often fixes it immediately. If a section break is present, switch to Draft View, select the break and delete it, being mindful that this can change headers or footers. Once done, check margins and header/footer spacing, because oversized headers or large bottom margins can create an apparent blank page. Adjust values until the page disappears. You finish by placing your cursor before the stubborn blank page and pressing backspace. This removes hidden characters that delete missed. If that still fails, select the final paragraph mark and set font size to 1 or apply single spacing or 1/2 line spacing to force the content up. Make sure headers and footers aren't forcing an extra page. If sections had different headers, link them or reapply the correct header. If problems continue, reopen non-printing characters to verify what remains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.